In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Drive folder in just 5 minutes. Now, as you might know, there's currently a limitation when it comes to copying entire folders directly through the web browser interface on Google Drive. But don't worry, we're going to work around that easily using Google Drive for desktop. This method will make the task straightforward and quick. So, get ready, and let's dive in. The first step is to click on the Windows icon on your computer. This will bring up your list of programs and applications. From there, you want to find and launch Google Drive for desktop. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the official Google Drive website and follow the instructions for installation. Once you've launched Google Drive for desktop, proceed to open your Drive folder. This is essentially your access point from your computer to all your online Drive files. Opening this folder allows you to navigate through your Google Drive directly from your desktop, providing the opportunity to interact with files as if they were on your local machine. Next, when the File Explorer opens, look for the section labeled My Drive. This is where all the folders and files you have uploaded or created in your Google Drive are stored. Navigating here gives you an overview of all your content in one place. Now that you have My Drive open, locate and select the folder you want to copy. If there's a specific folder you've been working with or need to duplicate, find it by scrolling through your list or using the search function to quickly pinpoint its location within My Drive. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder. This action will open a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to click Copy. With the folder copied, navigate back to My Drive or to the location you wish to place the new folder, right-click again, and select the Paste option. This will create a copy of the selected folder within the same Drive directory. After pasting, you'll notice a new folder labeled with the word Copy added to its name. This indicates that it's a duplicate of your original folder. The good news is that any changes you make on your desktop File Explorer are automatically synced to your Google Drive online. So, when you log into your Google Drive via a web browser, you'll see this newly created folder copy right there as well. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently create copies of folders within your Google Drive using Google Drive for desktop. This method might be slightly different from doing it directly online, but it's equally effective. Give it a try, and feel free to pause and rewind this video as needed to ensure you've got everything down. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.